right out our window. I always try to do sights on the end. The end sights, as you all are aware, gives you more space because you don't have a neighbor on that side. So I like that, and it's pretty quiet. You know, we don't hear them back there or anything. But besides, we're getting ready to get out of here and go suck up some of this sun and look at some of the trees that are changing colors. We are definitely in the fall season. Today feels like a fall day for sure. So we did get wood. I'm not sure if we're gonna light that up or not, but because it still look like some clouds up there. So I'm not sure what we'll do after we go check out the camp store, but we'll let you know. Stay tuned, guys. So Vic got me out here walking.
Oh my God.
Vic, why are we walking and it's cold out here? No excuses, none. Going to the camp office, which is not far from us. See up there. Then you walk down this way and you got steps right here. Oh, that's a lot of steps. Jesus. Yeah, I am not. I'm pretty
careful. These leaves are wet.
Leaves are wet, which can be slippery. It is fall, but I don't want to fall. So, y'all, if I fall and the video pick it up, I ain't showing y'all. All right, we made it. Then you got the store right at the bottom of these steps. And actually over here, I'm going to go over here and I guess they call these what, the amphitheaters over here. After you come down those steps, which is a path from the campsites. They also have over here a basketball court. And I'm not sure, what is that? Oh, that's a cabin over there. Like a cabin over there. It's got a picnic table there beside it. So, yeah. And the rest, you want to check out if you can get in there?
All right, so I'm gonna check out men's bathroom. Okay. I mean, it is what it is. Where'd she go to?
What did you think? I didn't go in. Vic said they could use some help. Where you going? It's very nice out here. The fall brings on the color change of the trees. And we're gonna go into the camp store and see if they have any magnets. Stay tuned, y'all. They have a pretty nice laundromat here at Dillon State Park. I have quite a few washers, a couple big washers for probably comforters and sheets and stuff. And then they have, well, it looks like they have 3 of the 4 dryers working and a nice table in the center. So this isn't bad if you need to wash. Women's 3 restroom stalls. This is the outdoor covering hangout area. They have ice. If you need that, they have wood. The wood was $6 a bundle. Your firewood you pay for in the store, and then you come out and get it from there. The dump station is right outside here. Okay, so if you come through here, there is this is a non-potable water.
Yes.
It says please form 2 lanes ahead for the dump station.
Right. So maybe that is. I didn't see that.
See?
Yeah, you're right. That is.
Oh,
I
Vic.
wasn't upset for nothing.
See y'all how he do me? But it's 2.
But there are 2.
There are 2 spots, and they are, you still would have, oh no, and they are in the right places.
Yeah, they're in the right place. You just don't see it coming from the road there because it's hidden.
Well, yeah, come around. You gotta come around and check it out.
Yeah.
Why are we over here walking around a dump station?
Because it's getting video. You're supposed to have your,
Hey everybody, we back.
supposed to have your thing?
I don't have it. Victor is at the trailer.
Are
Are you chilly?
You know, it don't feel bad after you walk, but it's
nippy.
Yeah.
It's something a little more than what we've been used to.
Yep.
But it looks like we've even lost the sun, so
Yep.
that plays a factor too. So we're gonna probably wrap up this walk toward our way around down here. Now we're gonna head back up these steps, and it looks like the trash bins are there.
Yep.
Got the trash bins over here where the store is, and then we're gonna make our way back up this stairwell flight to heaven. There is a bunch of steps, guys. And this is like a workout. But at least you won't have to drive all the way around the campground to get down to the store. They have this unique path.
It depends on where you're at.
Well, you may, but in this section we're in, looks like the 130s and 40s, you have this path. Woo, y'all hear me breathing? But very nice views here at Dillon. So far, I would recommend Dillon. What you think? So far, just so far.
Yeah.
You think so? Yes. Okay.
And,
Look at us sitting up on a hill.
and look at how high up our tongue jack is. And that's up on top of, what do you got there, 5 blocks?
Yes, I think it was 5. So it's a little, the site is a little slanted.
Yes.
So make sure you have something to lift your tongue jack up high to get yourself leveled out.
Yep.
Oh, this is walking uphill. Whew. You out of breath too? We out of breath. We out of shape. So yeah, this is what Vic's talking about. So just be prepared for that, because
That's 6 blocks. Yep.
be prepared for that because that's going to make all the difference. Or you're going to be slanted at a slope.
Yep. And make sure you have either some blocks, wood, something just in
So,
case.
anyway, let me take this guy inside. He's a little chillier than I am. Although I have on a tank top, a t-shirt, and a thermal shirt, and my hoodie. I told him, bundle up.
I don't have a. I'm not really that cold.
It's not cold, but we would prefer it to be warmer.
Yeah.
I'm sure a lot of people would, but
Yep.
yeah. So, guys, I think we gonna catch you tomorrow. Have a good night.
Alrighty.
Peace. Hey, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning. Y'all know what time it is.
End of camping.
No, ain't into camping. What time it is pack up day.
Yeah. Pack up day.
But it is getting a lot cooler, so we've been talking about when we were going to winterize. Since neither one of us really like the cold.
Nope.
So, but you know, last year when we winterized early, it was like multiple weekends we could have went out.
That's
You
true.
agree?
Yeah.
So I think some people winterize and de-winterize
Yes.
multiple times throughout the year. What about y'all? Let us know in the comment section. How many times it's a bee. How many times a year do you winterize and de-winterize?
To go out and go camping when the
Right.
weather turns nice.
Right. Each weekend, you might get a weekend and be like, it's nice today. Let's hook up.
And I think it'd be a lot easier, especially for the people up north,
Mm-hmm.
because a lot of people don't like going camping when it's cold.
Yeah.
So of course, there's, you don't have to make a reservation months in advance or a year in advance. You might be able to just call up and go.
Yeah. Then there's that. So, but we don't know. Ours is still up in the air because he wants to shut down sooner than I do. But it's all good. We'll figure it out, and that's what we'll do. So right now we are packing up. We are actually sitting at the top where we can see everybody exiting, and like we showed you earlier in the video, there are only 2 dump stations, and everybody you see rolling that way, because at one point the line was right there where you see the trash cans, right there. And actually someone's sitting there, but they're probably going to dump trash.
Yeah.
But there are only 2 dump stations in the park. So we kind of like not really rushing. You think? But we just about done. We going to bring this video to an end. Great time at Dillon.
Yes.
Other than the weather. Like,
Other than the weather, the
but
rain.
we're in Ohio, so we get it.
Now, I know you like this site because of the great view and you don't have anybody on the other side.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like the site because I had to jack up the front end
So high.
so high.
But that's why they give it to you, because you may have to do that.
Well, I
That's why they created
I prefer not
to go up so high.
Yes.
I get it.
Because I don't even want to. I don't even know how high you can go with the tongue jack. I don't know, and I
Right.
don't want to find out.
Right.
You know.
And that's a question. Guys, anybody know exactly how far up on a tongue jack? Do it stop by itself?
Yeah, is there something that stops it by itself? I don't want to find out.
Right. Yeah, we haven't went that. We don't want to go that route. But how long can you go on the tongue jack? Give us an answer in the comment section.
Yep.
So, all right, guys. I think we can ready to roll out.
Yep.
All right.
So, with that being said, I'm Vic.
And I'm Kerin. And we are the Real Weekend Warriors. Peace, guys. See you in the next video.